Hey everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make slime. So you're going to need some Elmer's school glue, white glue, and then some Elmer's magical liquid. You're going to need a spoon as well, and a bowl. You can also optionally put some colour in as well, which I chose a powder. So first what you're going to want to do is put the glue into the bowl, and then add your colour in as well. I have kept on mixing it until all the colour has been in, and then I'm about to put in my activator too. Once you've put your activator in, you're going to want to keep on mixing it until it gets to like a slime sort of texture. So as you can see, it's already starting to come together, which is a good sign. So you want to keep on putting more activator in. And now I'm able to knead it because I kept on mixing it together. Once you've kneaded it and done it, this is what your finished product should be like. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this has helped you, especially if you're a beginner who is learning how to make slime. This is just a simple and easy tutorial, and I hope it's helped.